This is Lola, just chilling with two of our dogs. They're totally used to her.
Lola.
I do supervise, of course, to keep her safe, but they're pretty good for the most part. But don't try this at home. If you're not confident and if you're not going to keep your bird safe, because I would jump in between them in a minute. The dogs would never get near her. They're pretty good. Especially you, right? You've been around her longer. They're pretty good. I wouldn't trust her on the floor with the dogs. It's happened a few times, but not to the point where I wasn't right there. So I just wouldn't take that chance. These dogs are meat eaters. They're fed everything because they're farm dogs. So different than a house dog. Okay guys, that was a little wind check. This is Lola. She has total trust. She will let me hold her upside down. Yep, she has total trust. Right? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Stuck on my shirt. You're good now.